only getting sound from the left or right side of your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones? Don't worry, let me quickly fix your one-side problem. First, make sure your headphones are fully charged because a really low battery can sometimes make one side stop working. Then you can try by disconnecting them from your device and reconnecting through Bluetooth, because a quick reset like that can fix small connection bugs. Next, you have to must check the audio balance settings on your any iPhone or Android. So from your iPhone, you have to go to settings, go for accessibility, and here you will find the option audio and visual. Go for it, scroll down. Now under the balance section, you need to adjust the slider to the middle, otherwise it will cause an imbalance on one side. And now from your Android, you have to go to settings again, and now from the search bar, type balance, scroll down and you will find the option left or right side balance. Go for it, and now under the connected audio section, you have to adjust the slider to the middle. If you're still facing issues, try resetting your Sony headphones. So make sure the headphones are turned off, then press and hold both the power button and the noise cancellation button for 15 to 20 seconds until the blue light blinks 4 times. And this will fix most problems. Still no luck? Just grab the aux cable that came with your headphones and plug it into your phone or computer and play some music and see if both sides work now. But if one side still isn't working even with the cable, then it might be a hardware issue. In that case, it's best to contact Sony support so they can help you out or arrange a repair. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.